There is definitely no doubt that I like to build things that, when given some sort of a prompt, it responds to you with a voice.
Hey, you too.
Which is why in today's video, I've got something very special planned. A good friend of mine actually came up to me and asked if I could build them something that when they went into their car,
Good day, Master J.
it gave them a nice warm welcome. And it's these ideas that, although very simple and easy to build, tend to have a very satisfying outcome. Because I think we've all wondered what it would be like to get into a car like someone of royalty and get that nice formal greeting every single time. And to get this one going, in today's video, I'm going to be playing with a motion sensor, which is pretty much going to do all the input work for us. Today's video is sponsored by PCBWay, the manufacturers of the printed circuit board that I'm using for this project. I honestly couldn't believe the convenience their service provided, and I was able to sketch up what I needed in a circuit board and simply upload it to their website. PCBWay offer a wide range of services from PCB manufacturing, assembly, and even prototyping, and are absolutely perfect if you're looking to make your project more bespoke. Our experience with them has been excellent, and they even got our logo perfect on the PCB. Now, back to the build. I firstly added a microcontroller, followed by a transistor and a speaker module on the main circuit. After that, I soldered on the PIR sensor to the D2 pin of the microcontroller, and of course, power and ground, giving us the main hardware needed. I then wrote and uploaded a bit of code to the Arduino, and this code can be made available to you via our Patreon. To quickly illustrate the function, when the PIR sensor detects a change in infrared radiation due to the heat from motion, it tells the Arduino to send a signal through this transistor, which grounds the speaker module and plays a selected sound like such. Then, with some other fun engineering, I was able to quickly pull together a fit-for-purpose case for this device, which would perfectly house the speaker module and keep a gap for the PIR sensor, whilst keeping the rest of the electronics secure and concealed. The goal here was to take exact measurements of the circuit and the sensor, and also design some brackets so this can be slotted in with ease when mounted to the car interior. I then sent this to my 3D printer, where I could finally get some rest for a few hours. And let me tell you, I needed the rest because I spent minutes fiddling around with the components to get them fit perfectly into the case. And perfection quickly died when I figured out the size of the PIR height was wrong, so I had to manually remove this and solder the plastic back together. At least the PIR sensor isn't going anywhere. But hey, now that I've shown you how hours of my building time can be presented to you in a matter of 2 minutes, let's go see this thing in full action.
Good day, Master James. Good day, Master James. Good day, Master James.
So now, because a good friend of mine actually gave me this idea to build it for his car, we're going to take it to the next level and get him to build it for himself. In the next video, I'm going to be giving him the blueprint and getting him to put it together for his car. And the thing is, you can do the exact same as well, because with every one of these projects and videos we do, we upload a detailed set of instructions onto our Patreon. So if you want to buy us a coffee a month, it's like probably half a coffee a month in this economy. You can learn to build these things too. But now the thing is, my friend has absolutely no experience with putting things like this together, so it's going to be good fun teaching him, and you should definitely subscribe to join the journey to see how a beginner takes on quite a simple project like this and the curveballs they face with putting it together.